everyone, I'm Adrija. Welcome back. So today I'm back with another quite interesting conversation, a daily life English conversation for you all. So this is a conversation between two neighbors, Mrs. Gupta and Mrs. Roy. And I'm sure that you will like this conversation. And remember that at the end of this video, there is a question and you need to answer that question in the comment box below. I'd be eagerly waiting for your answers. So without any delay, let's start with the conversation. Good morning, Mrs. Roy. Oh, good morning, Mrs. Gupta. How are you? Absolutely fine. And you? I am also doing well. Please come in. Sorry for disturbing you in the morning. It's not a problem at all. I'm free now. Actually, I just returned from Delhi today morning and there is no sugar in my home. So it would be great if you could give me some sugar. Of course, Mrs. Gupta. Just wait a second. I'm giving it to you. Here. Thank you so much. Oh, please. It's not a big deal. And by the way, why did you go to Delhi? Oh, it's my father. He suddenly got sick and we had to go there. What happened to your father? A stroke. Oh God, is he okay now? He's better than before. He came back home from the hospital as well. Actually, my mother is all alone there, so we had to go. I think it would have been better if you would have stayed there for a few more days. What would I do? I had no option. Here on one hand, there's my daughter's school and on the other, there's my husband's office.
Mom, Dad is calling you.
Yeah, I'm coming. You came here after so many days. Please sit for a few more minutes. Actually, I'm making tea, so I'm in a hurry. Anyway, how's everything here? Oh, about that. Have you heard about Mrs. Agarwal? No, I haven't. What happened? Her son got promoted to class 9 this week. Yes, I know. He is in the same class as my daughter. Amit sir tutored him and this year he got 93% in his exam. Wow, that's great. He got really good marks. But his mother is not happy at all because previously he scored 95%. That's completely normal. Marks can go up and down. That doesn't mean he didn't study. But Mrs. Agarwal doesn't seem to understand any of this. She also scolded her son as well. But her son is very emotional. She shouldn't have scolded him. And after that, her son is not even getting out of his room. He's not talking to anyone, not even to his family. Then why is Mr. Agarwal not saying anything about this? What will he say? He is worried about his son. And yesterday they said that they will take their son for counseling. These children suffer due to their parents' overcaring nature. I heard that Mrs. Agarwal behaved really bad with Amit sir. She thinks that Amit sir is responsible for her son's low marks. Oh God, I believe it's Mrs. Agarwal who really needs counseling right now. Yes, you're absolutely right. By the way, what about your daughter? What's her result? She did well. She scored 89% and Amit sir tutors her as well. He's an excellent teacher.
Mom, come fast.
Oh yes dear, I'm coming. Your daughter has been calling you for a long time. You should probably go. Yeah, you're right. Thanks for the sugar. What's that smell? Oh God, I was making tea. I completely forgot. Okay, bye. So this was the conversation. I hope you liked it. And now is the time for the question. The question is, who was the tutor who taught Mrs. Agarwal's son? You need to answer this question in the comment box below. So I'd be eagerly waiting for your answers. And if you like this conversation, then do not forget to click on the like button And if you want more such conversations and haven't clicked on the subscribe button yet, then do click on the subscribe button and share this video with your friends and family. So that's it for today. Meet you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.